Hello friends, today I will bring you a smartwatch product. Speaking of product, cheap smartwatch under 1 million. We cannot help but mention BeFit. It's a pretty famous and successful company. For Linus' previous BeFit smartwatch, this is the BeFit B3s smartwatch. This is the latest line. You want to know how these products are different from other products. Previous product. Let's watch today's entire video. Now I will open the box for you. This is the unboxing of the product. In the product box, you will be given a set of rubber bands. BeFit B3s, a user manual and a magnetic cord. Now this product will give you a frame. Metal rim, looks quite luxurious. With this wholesale zing, you can, easy to find in most smartwatch lines today. For the charging part, you just need to put the charging part in the back. The watch will show you that it is charging. This is the knob part. You can hold down and click to go to the screen. This product will have heart temperature, measurement and sports functions. Right now I have one in my hand. This yellow B3s is equipped with a large IPS screen, 1.69 inches, versatile for men. Because its designates a shiny metal frame, it looks very luxurious and sturdy. The BeFit B3s watch product is a smartwatch with a minimalist design, sophisticated, bringing a luxurious and trendy look to the user. This product is packed with many features, from health and sports monitoring, helps you easily manage your health and improve your quality of life. Elegant and fashionable design. Possesses a rectangular watch face with rounded four corners. Fashionable. Men or women both wear it very beautifully. The surrounding frame is made of metal and is resistant. Good strength and shiny surface for attractive appearance. On the right side there is a rotation button to help users navigate quickly. Normally, when sweating or getting wet, unable to swipe and touch the screen, this watch strap is detachable. You can easily change the wire if you don't like rubber bands. This rubber band will be soft and will not cause discomfort when worn all day. The BeFit B3s screen is about 1.69 inches in size, quite large. Made gently curved, providing a smooth running experience. The touch screen is sensitive. There is no lag or freeze when operating. The BeFit B3s screen will use ANIT's panel to help reproduce true colors, combined with a resolution of 240 by 280 pixels. Provide users with clear content. The BeFit B3s watch will possess many useful features, the most prominent of which is the ability to measure blood pressure. This feature is only equipped in high-end product lines, now brought to users by BeFit at an extremely reasonable price. In addition, BeFit B3s is also equipped with a number of features such as health monitoring, blood oxygen level measurement, breathing rate monitoring, heart rate measurement, and sleep monitoring. These features help users easily monitor their health status anytime, anywhere, thereby being able to take the most appropriate health care measures. Smartwatches are not medical devices and should be used for reference, not for diagnosis and treatment. BeFit B3s watch is an option for those who want to practice sports such as jogging, jumping rope, or cycling. After a workout session, you can use the BeFit application, available on the Apple Store, to review your indicators. This is a great opportunity to tailor your training levels accordingly. It can add features like countdown, stopwatch, flashlight. The flashlight on this watch face will be brighter. The battery life of the BeFit B3s product will last about 10 days and is IP67 water resistant. Because this product is equipped with a battery 180 milliamperes, so usage time is about 10 days. Full charge time approx 2 o'clock. In general, the battery life is quite long and can accompany users in many activities. The watch is IP67 water resistant, allowing you to use the watch when washing your hands or wearing it lightly.